Ever contemplated the impact of artificial intelligence on the entertainment landscape? It's rather fascinating, isn't it? This once far-fetched notion of a future driven by artificial intelligence has swiftly transitioned from the realm of science fiction to tangible reality. The concept, no longer an abstraction, has firmly embedded itself in our daily existence, shaping the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. The entertainment industry in particular has been a fertile ground for the implementation and growth of AI technologies. It's not just about behind-the-scenes automation and analytical data processing anymore. Instead, AI is progressively leaving an indelible digital imprint on the entertainment landscape, sculpting and redefining the way we engage with various forms of media. Take, for instance, the realm of films, music, and video games. These are fields where AI has shown immense potential and is already causing a paradigm shift. Imagine a world where robots no longer merely inhabit the pages of a sci-fi novel or the frames of a Hollywood blockbuster, but are integral parts of entertainment experiences. It may sound like an ambitious prospect, but that's precisely what we're witnessing today. AI is not just aiding in content creation, it's becoming the content itself. Some of the most groundbreaking AI innovations are coming from tech giants like Alibaba and OpenAI. Their respective AI models, Emo and Sora, are transforming static images into dynamic, vibrant actors and singers. They're utilizing complex algorithms and focusing mechanisms to achieve unparalleled precision in creating facial animations. The result? A user experience that transcends the conventional, offering a level of engagement previously unthinkable. But let's delve a little deeper into these technologies. Alibaba's Emo, for instance, is an AI model that's changing content creation through realistic character development. By analyzing immense datasets and employing intricate algorithms, it can bring to life characters that are as captivating as they are lifelike. Similarly, OpenAI's Sora uses machine learning techniques to high-quality voice synthesis, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in vocal performance. The future of entertainment as we see it lies in the convergence of these AI technologies. We're standing at the cusp of a revolution, a seismic shift in the entertainment world. This is not a mere enhancement of existing capabilities, but a complete reimagining of how we create and consume content. It's a future where AI doesn't just assist in creating content, it embodies the content entirely. And yet, this is but the tip of the iceberg. The real potential of AI in entertainment will be truly realized as these technologies continue to advance and evolve, overstepping existing limitations and crafting experiences beyond our wildest dreams. Now imagine a world where two AI behemoths, Alibaba's Emo and Sora AI, combine their strengths. What would that even look like? What could they potentially achieve? It's an exciting prospect, one that heralds a new era for the entertainment industry. Welcome to a game over collaboration if Emo marries Sora. Imagine the possibilities when Alibaba Emo, an AI video generator that can bring still images to life, collaborates with Sora AI, known for creating lifelike characters with speaking and singing capabilities. In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, two technologies stand out for their innovative approach and groundbreaking capabilities: Alibaba Emo and Sora AI. Pioneering in their respective fields, these two state-of-the-art technologies have been making seismic shifts in how we perceive and interact with the AI realm. Alibaba Emo, an avant-garde AI tool, can brilliantly transform static images into dynamic, realistic, and expressive actors and singers. This technology's advanced features allow it to breathe life into any still image, be it a portrait or landscape, effectively transforming these into lifelike figures that can emote, sing, or even act, as per the user's command. The secret behind this almost magical transformation lies in the advanced, diffusion-based approach and attention mechanisms that Alibaba Emo employs. This advanced AI technology works by meticulously analyzing every pixel of the still image, and then manipulating these pixels in a diffusion-based approach to animate the image. It's like watching a painting come to life, each brushstroke organically growing and moving to create a dynamic masterpiece. The attention mechanisms ensure accurate and lifelike facial animation, making the characters appear incredibly real. From the subtle raising of an eyebrow to the elaborate display of emotions, Alibaba Emo can meticulously animate it all. On the other end of the spectrum, we have Sora AI, another marvel in the world of artificial intelligence. Developed by OpenAI, Sora AI has been creating ripples in the AI world with its capability to craft lifelike characters that not only speak, but also sing. But Sora AI's capabilities don't stop there. It stretches beyond merely creating characters and delves into providing an immersive experience for the users. It offers a platform where these characters can engage with users, responding to their prompts and providing a high degree of interactivity that feels incredibly real. Imagine a character that not only looks lifelike but can also converse with you, respond to your comments, and even sing a song at your request. Sora AI makes this possible, creating an environment where you not only observe the characters but also interact with them, making the whole experience extraordinarily immersive and personal. Now, conceive the immense potential that a collaborative effort between these two potent technologies, Alibaba Emo and Sora AI, could unleash. It's akin to marrying the best features of both worlds, thereby enhancing the overall user experience. Alibaba Emo's diffusion-based approach and attention mechanisms could be used to heighten the realism of Sora AI's characters, while Sora AI's advanced speaking and singing capabilities could add a whole new dimension of interactivity to Alibaba Emo's animated creations. Imagine watching a movie where the characters not only perform their parts, but also interact with you, responding to your comments, or singing a song at your request. Imagine being able to send personalized video messages where the character not only looks like you, but mimics your gestures, expressions, and speech patterns. The fusion of these two could revolutionize the entertainment industry, from creating more interactive media experiences to even redefining how we communicate. The fusion of these two technologies could revolutionize the entertainment industry, from creating more interactive media experiences to even redefining how we communicate. So, what does this mean for you, the consumer, and the future of entertainment? Here's our take on it. The advent of the digital age has undeniably revolutionized the industry, and now, we stand on the brink of another paradigm shift. This shift is driven by artificial intelligence, which is poised to completely rewire entertainment as we know it. We are witnessing a phenomenal acceleration in the development of AI technologies, and two companies, Alibaba Emo and Sora AI, are at the forefront of this wave of innovation. Alibaba Emo is stretching the limits of what's possible by transforming static images into dynamic performers. Leveraging the power of AI, they can breathe life into still pictures, converting them into expressive actors and vocalists. This opens a world of possibilities, from reviving historical figures on screen to making cartoon characters sing like real-life pop stars. On the other hand, Sora AI is spearheading the creation of hyper-realistic digital characters. From their physical appearance to their voices, these AI beings exude an uncanny resemblance to humans. They can converse, sing, and interact with an extraordinary level of realism that was, until now, only achievable in the realm of science fiction. The collaborative potential of these two innovative powerhouses is immense. A shared endeavor could usher in a revolution in entertainment where the boundary separating reality from animation is increasingly obscured. Imagine watching a film or playing a game where characters are no longer mere CGI constructs, but lifelike entities, complete with the depth and complexity of human emotions. The immersive and interactive experiences that could be created are virtually limitless. Beyond mere entertainment, this AI technology has the potential to overhaul communications. It could introduce a new dimension of engagement and interaction to our daily encounters. Imagine a virtual business meeting where you can opt to be represented by a realistic avatar that reflects your personality. Or, visualize a scenario where you can converse with your favorite actors or pop stars, made possible only by AI. While we're captivated by these exciting possibilities, it's imperative to also ponder over the ethical aspects. The use of someone's likeness to create digital characters raises concerns about privacy and consent. As we push forward in this AI-powered era, it's vital to confront these issues and promote responsible and ethical use of the technology. It's clear then that the convergence of Alibaba Emo and Sora AI is about much more than generating advanced animations or realistic video games. It's about reimagining how we interact, communicate, and get entertained. It's about a future where AI is not simply a tool, but an integral element of our daily lives, enriching our experiences in ways that are beyond our current comprehension. While acknowledging the challenges, we should also recognize the opportunities. This opens up a new chapter of technological evolution, one that has defined the fusion of AI and entertainment, promising an extraordinary leap in how we perceive and engage with digital content. As we venture into this brave new world of AI-powered entertainment, one thing is clear: the future of entertainment is here, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined.